Hey guys, it's Danielle. Welcome back to my channel, Homemade Vintage. Welcome back to another vintage farmhouse thrift haul. I have a lot of pieces that I've been really excited to share with you guys, so let's just jump right in. This dress keeps puffing up and making me look like I'm pregnant. I'm not pregnant, y'all. I will let you know. I'm gonna start with some throw pillows. I found this one, and it seems like it's brand new. It does have this stupid tag that says it's been sanitized, whatever. I'm still gonna wash it. But I have an idea to put this out for fall because it says harvest times. It does say May, June, July on there as well, but I'm still gonna use it for fall. It has that print on both sides, and I paid, it says $4, but I feel like it was on sale. But yeah, I just thought it was a really nice pillow, and like I said, it looked brand new. And then I grabbed this one as well. I just really like these blue stripes. And this one was $1.99 at Goodwill. And then I also got this one behind me. I already washed this pillowcase because I was excited to put it on this chair. But I love these little buttons. This one is also $1.99 at Goodwill. He just needs me to pretend he's a baby for a second. Are you a baby? Oh, are you just a baby? Then I found these little mini shutters that I thought were really cute. They were $3.99. They're very dusty and dirty. I need to clean them up, but I plan on removing the hardware and then separating them and just kind of hanging them up on the wall, probably in my bedroom. I hope I can get them cleaned up, but I thought they were really cute. I've never seen little mini ones like this. So I found this fun Pyrex bowl, and I loved the color. It does have some wear in certain spots and on the bottom, as you can see, but it was only $3.99, and I thought that was a pretty good price for a Pyrex bowl. I found it at Goodwill, which I never find Pyrex anywhere unless it's at like an antique store or something. So yeah, I could not leave that behind. I'm going to clean it up and use it here in my kitchen. I also found this stack of plates. There's actually a fourth one, but I'm using it for something in my kitchen. And what's weird is two of them are by Homer Laughlin, and then the other two are by Syracuse China. They were $1 a piece, but they're the exact same pattern and like shape on the edge, so that's weird that they're two different brands. But I really like them. They match a stack of plates that I found as well from the same place that are by Syracuse China, so I'm going to be using these to stack like this in my kitchen on my shelving. So I was excited to find these. And then I found this cute little piece here. I have no idea what this is. Maybe like a personal creamer, but it is by California Pottery, you can see on the bottom. But I just thought it was really cute for the kitchen. Kind of looks like a little ironstone piece, and I paid $1 for it at a flea market. They're playing in the background, so sorry if it's noisy. There's nothing I can do about it. They don't respect me. In the same flea market, I picked up a few books. These are just some vintage books that I thought would look nice, stacked. And then she also, because I paid $10 for these, she also threw in these doilies that I had asked about for free, so that was nice. I thought this one was a really nice color. It almost looks like tea or coffee dyed, and I thought it would look nice for fall. And then this one was just a really pretty design. So I was excited to get all of this for $10, I guess, you know. That's not the greatest deal, but... And then is this not the cutest little thing? It's like a woven basket vase, and this just reminded me of something that I would want to put out for fall. I said that weird. But it was on sale, so I paid $1 for it, and I just thought it was really neat. I've never seen anything like this, and I like that kind of like basket detail, so I'm excited to style this for fall. And then speaking of fall, I'll show you some kind of like fall themed pieces. This was 50% off, so I got it for $1. It's just one of those little like brooms that you see people put out around fall time. I'm not sure what brooms have to do with fall, but I liked it. I think I'm going to hang it from my little peg rack thing. And then I found these two green pumpkins at Goodwill. They were $1.99 a piece. They are originally from the Target dollar spot for $3, but I loved the green color. I haven't made it to the dollar spot yet for fall, so I'll have to see what they have this year. Okay, well, so anyways, I'll have to see if they have any more like this, because I'm really loving this green color this year. So, $1.99 for those. Were they on sale? Why can't I keep anything in my hands? Anyways, we're gonna move on. I found this cute little plate. Well, it's not really a plate, it's like a dish, maybe like a spoon rest, in the shape of an autumn leaf. The bottom just says leaves made in China. And I believe this one was half off as well, so I paid less than $1 for it. And I just thought it was really pretty. I'll probably use it as a spoon rest if it fits on my oven. And then I found this little fabric that I thought would be cute to cover some pumpkins in. So I need to go to the Dollar Tree and pick up some of their tiny little foam pumpkins so that I can cover, I'm not sure how many I'll be able to do, but this was $1.25, and I just thought it was a really cute kind of plaid, green plaid. Yeah, I'm not sure how many this will do, but we'll see. I thought this was cool. It was $1.50. It's just one of those things you use to rest books or pictures or like a picture holder, and I thought it was neat looking, you know, in comparison to the standard ones that just kind of hold open like that for $1.50. And look at this adorable mini, extra mini oil lamp. It is actually a little teapot, and it was $2, and I thought that was so cute. I got this thinking that I could bend back these pieces to make it fit because it's a tad too big, but I tried already, it doesn't work. So now I have this globe that I paid $1 for nothing. So maybe I can find one in the future that this will fit on. But doesn't it seem like that was gonna work out? Like, how cute would it be if I could get it to fit in there? If you have any suggestions, let me know. Of course, I found another brass candlestick holder. The edge has a little scalloped detail, if you can kind of see it. And I just thought it was really pretty. I do need to clean out the old candle wax. It says $3 on the bottom. I may or may not have paid that. I never know. I actually got this for free at a garage sale, so I thought I would just show you. I think it is to rest on a cup and put tea in. I could be wrong, but I think that's what it is. Regardless, I think it's a cool little piece. I will try to incorporate that in my kitchen decor somehow, maybe on a tiered tray. I found a spatula with a wooden handle that I thought was really neat. It says Taiwan on the back. But I love metal because I'm trying to get rid of all the plastic ones we have because they just melt and they're trash. So I'm going to try to clean this up and hopefully we'll be able to use it. If not, I'll just display it with my rolling pins and stuff like that. And then I found this cute little rusty giant fork. It was $3. It reminds me of Ariel, you know, when she sings that song and brushes her hair with a fork. That's what it reminded me of, but I thought it was like really farmhouse, kind of like country farmhouse for the kitchen, so I went ahead and picked it up. And it's just really cool. Like, it's actually iron. And I like the handle right here as well. So I think $3 is a good price for this because I've never found anything neat like that. I found a fun little wooden like cloche with this tall globe. Kind of reminds me of Beauty and the Beast. That reminds me of Ariel. This reminds me of Beauty and the Beast. I don't really know where I'm going with all this, but it was originally $2.99. I do think that orange was on sale that day though. But I thought it was cool. I don't know what I could fit in here. Maybe a tiny pumpkin for fall, or I'll have to look up on Pinterest some ideas on what I can do to style this. But I thought it was neat. I don't have anything like this. I also found this at Goodwill. It was $1.99. Just a little watering can. I think I'm going to wipe some white paint on here, you know, to give it that more like muted look, because I'm not really a fan of like shiny galvanized metal, so hopefully I can fix it up to be more my style. But it's still cute. I think it'll look good with some fall greenery hanging out of it. This was also at that flea market that I had gone to. This was $1. It's just a little enamel pot. Has that little speckled design. And I think it's really cute. I love the little black handle, how it's just painted on. Bottom's a little, I'm not going to use this in my home. This is just actually going to be for decor somewhere. I've seen on Pinterest people put candles in here, but maybe I'll stick a pumpkin and a doily in it or something. We shall see. For $1, I thought that was a steal of a deal. The last two pieces is this cute little, I think this is like an onion soup bowl, but it's actually really tiny, so maybe not. I don't know what these are used for. Let me know down below if you have any idea. It was only 99 cents. There are no markings or stickers on the bottom. So I'm assuming it's vintage. Maybe it's like restaurant wear. Maybe it isn't. I thought it would be cute for shelf decor. And the last items are these adorable little restaurant wear like demi cups or espresso cups. They were only $1 a piece. And they are just marked USA on the bottom. Not sure if you can even tell. But I thought they were so cute stacked like this, maybe on my tiered tray or Once again, just for shelf decor. So yeah, guys, that's everything I have to share with you for today. I hope you enjoyed watching. Be sure to leave a comment down below, say hello, give this video a like if you did like it, and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!